my lovelies, and welcome to an absolutely beautiful, sunny, warm, glorious Sunday morning. I hope you are all well. Well, decided this morning that we thought we'd come down to the pools up at Stonydelph and we'd see what's going on, because we've been down for ages. And I was speaking to somebody the other day and they said, oh, the swans have had babies up at the pool, so I thought we'd come down and have a look. And while we're at it, we'll see what else is blooming in nature, because apparently it's just all gone berserk. So we'll have a look and we'll see what's occurring as we're having an amble. So the first thing I've spotted is the elderflower. There we go, look, the elderflower is in flower. Now we all know how this works. You take what you need, you don't take it all, and you save some for the bees and the animals, and you can make elderflower cordial out of that. Look at that, isn't that divine? So yes, we've got some beautiful elderflower, and then this way we've got, oh dear, we've got hawthorn, or as it's known in the old ways, mayflower. Oh, we've got a beautiful, beautiful mayflower tree. Absolutely glorious. Lou's eating the grass. Come on, let's go. Lots of birds and stuff. Look at my mallards there. I'm not quite sure what they're up to. Come on. Geese are shouting. Oh, they've got a girlfriend, that's what it is. Yeah, there's a girl involved. So we'll pop round and we'll see what else we can find. Come on, you. Some beautiful hogweed. I always think that's really pretty. The little flowers remind me of stars. They do. Remind me of stars. I think they're just pretty. Come on then. Go on a bit further. Lots of it all along here, lots of hogweed. All on the go. Oh, now what have we got here? Now I have seen some further up or further round, but we'll stop and have a look. These beautiful, got wet feet now, these beautiful flowers are called, we'll try and get in, they're called red campion. And they're just beautiful, they're just so pretty. Yeah, nice bit of red campion there. Let's go on, see what else we got. Right, I'm just going to stop you and then we'll pick you up again in a minute. Now that beautiful sound is the sound of a wren calling. Now I'm going to just double back down this way and I'm going to show you, look what else I've found. Bluebells. They're still going strong, the old bluebells. Beautiful bluebells. Right, come on then. You've got half of flipping grass hanging out your mouth. Yeah, beautiful. Right, hang on a minute. Right, so this stuff here is called Jack by the Hedge. It's one of the old country names. Now then, you can actually eat it. You can tell by the tiny, tiny little flowers that it's got. It's good for salads, and it's got a very, very mild garlic smell to it. So if you were going to eat it, I would suggest this way. You pick it further back from the edge and then give it a good wash, and you can mix it in with salads and all sorts, and it's really nice stuff. But yeah, it's called Jack by the Hedge. I just think it's really, really nice today, and it's nice just to go on an amble without any planned kind of thing that we're going to chat about, and we'll just see what we can find while we're out and about. Because like I say, everything's blooming at the moment, everything's just gone rampant, it's all gone a bit mad. But who's complaining? We like it. Oh, now then, oh, this way, here we go. Look, buttercups, look at those. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, vibrant yellow, glossy colour. I just love the colour of that. Excuse me while Lou's eating the grass. Yeah, buttercups, absolutely beautiful. Right, come on then, this way. See what else we can find. That you can hear. That chattering, that's a song thrush. The bird at the back is a male blackbird calling. But yeah, that's a song thrush. Quite happy. Look at the size of that tree. Isn't that absolutely glorious? That's a mahoosive tree. You realise how big that tree was. Plenty of dandelion seed heads, little wish pom-poms, as I call them. More buttercups, lots and lots of buttercups, beautiful buttercups. And hogweed. So we're just going to pause and then we'll go a bit further around and see what else we can find. This pool is always really atmospheric. No matter what time of the day or season you come in, it always has this very atmospheric feeling about it. I don't know what it is, I really don't. But yeah, it is really atmospheric. It's just so nice and calming. Right then, come on then, let's go and find a bit more. It's just, I don't know, it's just nice to come out on a beautiful morning and just have a little amble, see what we can find. See what's blooming, what's in season. Because what you've got now, maybe in 6 weeks' time, probably won't be here. It would have done its bit, its season, died down, moved on, and something else will take its place. Come on. I hear the ducks the other side of the pond. We'll go across the bridge and we'll have a look in that direction, see what's happening. Right, bear with my lovelies, bear with. Okay, right, I'm going to try and zoom in, but these are 2 Canada geese pairs. We've got another 2 at the top of the pole. I don't think they've had young. These have got 3. These have got 3 little, can't go any further, fluffy little babies. I daren't go any closer because I've got Lou and I don't want to be upsetting them. But yeah, they've got 3 little golden fluffy goslings. Aren't they beautiful? Now, the plant at the back that you can just see, that's called yellow iris, or it's sometimes known as yellow flag. That will flower all summer. That's really, really pretty when it gets going. Be quiet. But yeah, you can just about see 3 little yellow goslings. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? We will leave them to it. Come on then, let's leave them to it. No, this way, this way. That's it, good girl. Now we're going to go and see if we can find the swans, because apparently somebody said to me one day in the week that the swans up at the pool up at Stoneydelph, they'd had 8 babies. And if you can remember, a few years ago, there was a breeding pair up on this pool, and they'd been there for years, and somebody let their dog loose and they attacked both parents, and one of the rescue organisations had to come out and rescue the babies. Dad, I think Mum was killed and Dad had died of a broken heart, but the person who did it had his dog off lead. He didn't recall his dog, he just let his dog carry on, do what he was doing, and then walked away and left it. And there was such an outcry. So now the residents that live in the surrounding houses around here, they do what I call swan watch. So they watch all the swans and they watch any babies that are being born, just so that kind of incident doesn't happen again. And to this day they've never caught the person who did it. Bear with my lovelies. Right, so here we've found some more red campion. Let me try and get in the shade. There you go, look, absolutely beautiful. Now, you can get these in pinks, like a very light pink, and you can get them in white as well. But yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. Stunning little flowers, stunning little wildflowers. Right, come on, let's go and see if we can find the swans. Come up here and we'll pop our head over the reed bed and we'll see if we can find them. Dogwood. In the autumn, the actual branches is an absolutely beautiful red colour. It's stunning. In the spring and the summer, they have these lovely little white flowers on them. But yeah, in the autumn, they're this beautiful, vivid red colour. The wood, it's gorgeous. So I'm just going to have a walk round here, and we'll see if we can see the swans. Bear with. Right, we've found them. Now we're going to have to go steady and we're going to have to go quiet, because I don't want to get too close and upset them. But Mum and Dad's there, and the babies are the other side of that bank, and I can't get down to see them. But there is definitely 8 there. Then we'll stand here for 5 minutes and watch them. They might swim out back again to the middle. But you can see, let's have a quick look. Let me zoom in for you. Sorry. You can see, yes, there we go, the little grey fluffy pom-poms, look. Aren't they beautiful? How many has she got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, she's definitely got 8. There we go, look. 8 beautiful little grey pom-poms. Let's hope they mature and find their own ponds to live in. How wonderful. Okay, lovely, so I found these. Look, even that one's got a little bug on it. Yeah, I found these. These are called bed straw, I do believe, and they love grassland, meadowland. They're a meadow flower, and as you can see, all those little pink flowers are ladies' bed straw, and they're absolutely beautiful. Very, very delicate pinky white flowers. As I say, they love meadows, so they're very much a meadow flower. And at the back, I don't know if you can see, but there is lots and lots of buttercups as well, and lots of dandelion seed heads. So it's a beautiful little meadowland, this is. But yeah, ladies' bed straw. Very, very pretty little plant. So I thought as we were heading our way home, we'd come through the little spinney that I walk through most mornings with Lou, mainly because it's a beautiful little wooded area and it is absolutely full of bird life. So I think we'll stand still and we'll listen to the birds. We'll see how many we can identify. Okay, so there's a blackbird. That's a wren. A wood pigeon with a twig in his mouth, he's making a nest. A bit further down through those trees it's quite boggy ground, so there's lots of stuff that likes boggy ground, and I'm not going down there. I'll just end up sinking. But yeah, it's a lovely little wooded area. I'm not sure if this was part of the farmland when Stony Delph was a farm, whether it's part of the woodland that was left. Not too sure. But it's well established woodland. I mean, it's been here for as long as I've been here. I've been on the estate 40 years and it's been here since then. So yeah, it's well established woodland and it's always full of bird life, always. I mean, you haven't really got far to go to look for a bit of nature on a reserve. And look what I've just found. I have no clue what these are. So if anybody knows what these are, can you let me know? But these beautiful little blue flowers are absolutely gorgeous. And I've got no idea what they are. They're so pretty. But yeah. Oh, look. Up there, look. Oh, there you go. It's a chestnut tree in bloom. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Come September, they'll be full of conkers. Beautiful. So yeah, we are going to finish our walk off. We're going to go home now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It was quite a nice little relaxing amble round the pools just to see what nature's chucking at us, what's coming into bloom for the month of May. I really did enjoy that. The other thing I will say is last night, which would be Saturday night, and also Friday night, we had the Northern Lights in the UK, and I missed them on Friday because I was asleep in bed and didn't even realise they were happening. And then I thought yesterday, oh well, yesterday we'll stop up and we'll see if we can spot them. No, by 11:15 I'm nodding off in the chair, so I've took myself off to bed. I did get up about 12 o'clock, 12:30, and I did bung my head out the window, but I still couldn't see any, so I gave it up as a bad idea. But I think tomorrow we'll have a look at the Northern Lights in tune with the new moon, because the moon's been absolutely stunning the last couple of nights. Its bottom end has been illuminated absolutely beautifully. So we'll see, we'll have a look, see what we can come up with, see if there's any kind of cosmic energy going on there. So lovelies, we're going to go home, have a cup of tea. So I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful Sunday. If you have chance to get out today, please do, it's absolutely glorious. Do look after one another, it's very, very important. And if nothing else in this world, please be kind, because you don't know what that other person's going through that stood next to you. And from me and Woo, who's too busy rolling around in the grass as per, look at the state of it, we're sending you all much love and many blessings.